So this is the Kudra. Kudra is in intelligent document processing, what you call intelligent document processing platform, IDP. And the way it works is you have it has two aspects. So first, you have the templates on top here. So if you press on view all here, you will find over 20 plus templates. And these templates behind the scene, they have been trained on a specific AI model or specific data. And they basically automate extraction of specific document type. So for example, we have invoices, we have ID extraction, receipts, contract analysis, and so on. And to use it here, if your use case falls within these templates, you can simply click on this, for example, invoice extraction, click on it, and then just upload your files. It's that easy. It's like with 2 minutes, you basically start extracting your.
Yeah, that can upload like unlimited number of files, right?
Yeah, so depends on the package that you purchase with us. There are certain limits on the number of files, but that depends on the package. Yeah, but it varies from 1,000 pages per month to up to 100,000s. It really depends.
Yeah.
So here I just want to show the
and I think there is an API for it, so I can use it in my code.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
There's an API.
Interesting. Yeah.
And here I want to show you maybe one extraction. Let's see if this works. This is, I just want to show this example because this is a Hungarian document. So we actually handle over 20 plus languages as well.
Do you handle Arabic or?
Well, we have Arabic too. Yeah.
Yeah, great. Yeah.
We definitely support Arabic too.
Yeah.
So here, as you can see, we have the PDF, which is an invoice in this case because I use invoice extraction. And you have on the right side, this is all the entities extracted. So you can see the amount that has been extracted, the invoice total, the customer address that has been mentioned here. And basically the goal here is you turn this PDF into a structured information that you can see on the right side. So here, after you're done validating this document, you can simply download this as a CSV file, and that's it. So now you basically made this PDF usable, so you can use it for analytics later on. So if you open this CSV file, you will see this extracted information ready to go. So you can see the amount here, the customer address has been extracted, the tax, and so on. And let's say there is basically mistakes made by the AI, because as you know, the AI is not going to be 100%. You can actually label directly here. So let's say this is missing. You can simply highlight and add your labels here. So this could be the total, for example. And by doing this, you can actually train the AI over time to basically extract better the information. So this information that you input, the human input, is being used to train the AI over time. So your AI system is going to be better and better over time. And that's what we call the human in the loop approach here. So this is an invoice case, but Koudra actually covers all aspects of type of documents, from structured to semi-structured, semi-structured to unstructured. So for example, I'm going to jump into a very custom use case. Let's say we would like to analyze, 10K documents. So 10K are pretty complex documents. So they have a lot of financial, tables and a lot of paragraphs. And I'm not sure if I can show you here. Maybe this is an example of a section of 10K. It talks about like the risk factor of the company, and it's a stream of paragraphs that have really critical information in them. And the company will basically publish this once a year. And it's a super important document to look at, to understand the business, and actually investors make the decision based on these documents. But as you know, as you see here, it's very long, very complex to understand. So in Koudra, you can actually analyze this at scale. So you can analyze this on like hundreds of companies at once using AI. So the way it works is for this specific custom case, you have to go to the workflow section. And here you have to create new workflow. And I'm going to jump into the workflow here, what it means. So the workflow basically is an assembly of services chained together to analyze any aspect of your documents. Could be table, could be entities, could be paragraphs. So the first step is to define what type of import would you like to import your document in. So it could be PDFs, could be pictures. After you define your import, you go to the processing step. And here you have different processing services that you can use. So you can see them here on the left side. All of these are AI services that are ready to go. They're ready to be used. So in this specific case, because I'm trying to analyze 10Ks, I'm gonna add the first service is an OCR. And here's simply drag and drop, basically, drag and drop the OCR here to make it work. So the OCR, the first step why we did OCR is it's going to read the text. So that PDF or scanned image is going to parse it and read the text. Yeah. And second, we feed it to an entity extractor. So here, basically, an entity extractor is going to analyze the text and is going to identify entities or concepts within your document. So, for example, I'm interested to extract operational risk, so I can write it down. You can write it down here in English. You know, like operational risk. You write it down, and you add a description of what is an operational risk. Here, I just said simply extract operational risk, but the more descriptive you are, the better. And then you just add it, and the AI is going to understand what are the labels, what are their meaning based on your description, and it will try to extract the information. Yeah. So it's that simple. You don't have to do any coding or anything like that. You just define what type of labels you want to extract, what are the description of each label, and press save. And now the